Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. So today we are going to discuss jump game 2 question. Let's go into the question. So the question states that you are given zero indexed array of integers nums of length n. You are initially positioned at num 0. Each element nums I represents the maximum length of a forward jump from index I. In other words, if you are at nums I, you can jump to nums I plus j where j is less than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to nums I and greater than or equals to 0 and I plus j is less than n. Return the minimum number of jumps to reach nums n minus 1. The test cases are generated such that you can reach nums n minus 1. So we are present at 0th index and we want to reach up to the n minus 1th index, and we want to know like what will the minimum number of jumps required. And like if we are present at any index, then you can jump like whatever number is present on that index. We can, at max we can take that amount of jump only. So if we are present at 0th index and 2 is present here, so either we can go from 0 to 2 or 0 to 1. We cannot go from 0 to 3. So this is the question, and like we have to find the minimum number of jumps required to reach from 2 to 4. So that is the question. I hope you have understood the question. Let's see these examples. So in this example, what we can do is first the user will jump from 0 to 1, and now from 1 he can jump 3 steps, so he will reach here. So in 2 jumps he can reach to the n minus 1th index, so 2 is the answer here. In this again he will jump one time only, and then he can jump 3 times. So here also he will reach at the last, and this can be done in 2 jumps, so the answer is 2 here. So this is the question, and let's move to the solution explanation. So here what we will do is like we will iterate through our complete given array. Suppose this is a given array, and we will define 3 variables. One would be jump. This jump will contain like what will be our final answer. So this will jump will contain our final answer. This max reach would contain our like whenever we have covered up to index I, then what is the maximum index element up to which we can go. So this will define like what is the maximum I up to which we can go, and this current represents like its value will be like whenever this current becomes 0, then we will update its value to max reach minus I. So like up to what index we can reach at max when the whenever we jump. So this current will store that, and it will keep on decrement one by one. So we will start from I is equals to 0. Initially we will define max reach as array of 0 and current as also array of 0, and initially jump would be 1. Then we'll move to I is equals to 1. So current will reduce by 1, and max reach we will update, so that will become 3 plus 1 4, and jump will remain 1. Jump will only get updated when current becomes 0. Now we'll move to this index. Here 2 plus 0 is 2, so 2 is less than 4, so max reach will remain 4. Current will decrease by 1, so it will become 1, and jump will remain 1 only. Now when we will reach here I is equals to 3, max reach would again be 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 is the maximum, so 4 it will remain. Here current will become 0, and as current has become 0, so jump will become 2, and then after that we will update our current to max reach minus I. So max reach is 4 and I is 3, so current will be updated to 1 here. Then it will come here again, max reach here would be updated to 4 plus 2 6, 6 is greater, so max reach would be updated to 6, and current value was 1, so it will reduce by 1 and it will become 0, and as it has become 0, so jump will also increase by 1. Now I'll move to next index, and here we will update max reach. Now here in the previous step, here current will become 6 minus 4, that is 2, so current value will become 2 here. Now we'll reach to this index. Here 5 plus 5 is 10, so max reach will become 10 here, and current will reduce by 1, so it will become 1 now, and jump will remain 3. Now we'll reach here, so max reach will be 6 plus 1 7, so 7 or 10, so 10 is maximum, and current will become 0, and here like we have already reached to end of the array, so we don't need to increase the jump value. So here jump will be done as 3, so 3 will be the answer. So in this way we will proceed. Let's go to the solution, this coding part. So in coding part we will first define n, which is the num size. Then we will define jump as 1, so jump is defined 1 here, and max reach and current are defined as num 0. So max reach and current are defined as num 0. We will just handle this edge case, that if n is 1 then we return 0, because there is only one index, then that is the last index also, so we don't need to take any jump, so we will return 0. Then we will start iterating from I is equals to 1, and each time we will reduce the value of current, and we will update the value of max reach, and we will also check if I is equals to n minus 1, then we will come out of the loop. That means we have reached to the end of the array. And if current is 0, then we will update our jump will become plus plus, and current would be updated to max reach minus I, and when we will come out of the loop, then we will finally return jump. So this is the code, and it will work in on time, and let's try to run it whether it is working fine or not. So yeah, it is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So it has got accepted. So this is the code, and I hope you have understood the solution. So I will attach the solution code in the comment section, and I will also attach the problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So thanks, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for this series of top into 150 questions. We will be discussing all these 150 interview questions one by one. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.